So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to compute grades using Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, all of the raw scores of the students are already encoded to the written works, performance tasks, and quarterly assessment. And I will show you how to compute them using the formulas for computing the total scores, their corresponding percentages, the raw grade, the transmuted grade, and how to rank them. So first, let's encode the formula for the total score. Click this cell. Then type equal sign sum open parenthesis B3 colon E3. Then enter. Okay. And click the lower right corner of this cell. Okay. Then click and hold. Then drag and drop up to the last student to copy the formula format. Okay, there you go. Okay. So for the percentages, just click this cell. Then type equal sign open parenthesis F3 over F $3 close parenthesis times 100. Enter. Then we drag and drop again to the last student. Then transform the values into 2 decimal places. Okay. Same thing to do for the performance task. So click this cell, then type equal sign sum open parenthesis H3 colon A3 close parenthesis, enter. Then drag and drop up to the last student. Okay, so for the percentage, type equal sign open parenthesis L3 over L $3 close parenthesis times 100. Enter. And drag and drop again up to the last student. Okay, then transform the values again into 2 decimal places. Okay. And lastly, for the quarterly assessment, since there is only one quarterly assessment, we will only be finding the percentage. Okay, so just type equal sign open parenthesis N3 over N $3 close parenthesis times 100. Enter. Then drag and drop again up to the last student. Then transform into 2 decimal places. Okay. Now let's compute for the raw grades. Click this cell. Then type equal sign sum open parenthesis G3 times 0.4 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis M3 times 0.4 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis O3 times 0.2 then close parenthesis then enter. Okay, then drag and drop again up to the last student. Okay, then transform into 2 decimal places. Okay. For the transmutation of grades, we will be using the lookup formula. So just type equal sign look up open parenthesis P3 comma. So the transmutation of grades will be located in the sheet 2. Okay, so just drag from A1 to B41, then click enter. Okay, and then just drag and drop again up to the last student. Then the transmuted grade is here. Okay, and lastly, let's rank the students and type the formula here. So equal sign rank open parenthesis Q4 comma Q $sign 4 colon Q $sign 13 and close parenthesis. And drag and drop again up to the last student. And there you go. And that's the end of my skill demonstration on how to compute grades using Microsoft Excel. Thank you. So I will be going to demonstrate to you how to make a professional looking slide using Microsoft PowerPoint. So first, let's open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so we select all this stuff and delete. Okay, so delete. Then we go to insert, then pictures. Insert, then pictures. Then click on this image. Then stretch the image like this. Okay. Alright. And then press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Then click on the back image. Click on the back image. Then format. Click format. Then click on color. And make it black and white. Okay, then put the colorful image back on top of the black and white. Alright. and then click on insert again. Insert, then pictures, then click on this laptop icon. Then put it right over here. Okay. Alright. Then click on the colorful image, then go to format, then click on crop. Okay, then crop it just to fit exactly on the laptop screen. Okay. Okay. Then click again here to crop. Okay. Now we go to insert to create some text. Insert. Then type in PC operations skill demo. And we go change the font style to the bold font. Okay. Then go to insert shapes and choose parallelogram. So go to insert and shape and choose hold the control key, the black and white image, then right click and send to back. Okay. Then click on the box. Go to shape outline. Shape outline. Put no outline. And go to shape fill. More fill colors. Then choose this. Okay. Then go to the format shape option, then make the transparency 30. Okay, so we'll make it 30. Then select the text and change the text field to white. Okay, so this will be our finished product. Okay, let's see. Okay. And lastly, Control S to save your file. PowerPoint slide. Sweet. And that's all. Thank you. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to make a professional looking application letter using Microsoft Word. So first, let's open Microsoft Word. Okay, so we click on page layout. Margins. So we can make it narrow. Then click on size. So the size of long is 8.5 by 13. Okay. So we start on typing our name, home address, email address, and contact number. So I will type my name. Then we select all, then Control E or click here to center it on the page. So to change the font style, click here and I will choose Century Gothic. So for the font size, make it 12. Okay, so to emphasize our names, we select it and make its font 24. And then Control B to make it bold. Then we can insert symbol for our home address, email address, and contact number. Okay, so insert symbol. Okay. So for spacing, we can make it 1. Okay. Then we have to make a line under it, so we just have to type 3 underscores, then press enter. So 1, 2, 3, then enter. Okay. And now we type the date. So May 20, 2021. Enter. So name of the principal. So for example, Aldea. So the position of the principal. So principal 1. Name of the school, Eduardo. And the address of the school, so Ansol, Olanga City. Good. Okay, so we select the name of the principal and make it bold. Okay. Then here, we type in Dear Mrs. Alde. And then we type now our letter or message to the principal. So now I will just copy and paste my own composition of my application letter here. Then we select it and change its format. Okay, select. So the font size is 12. So make it 12. Okay. Then the font style is Century Gothic. Century Gothic. Then Control J to justify. Control J. Then select your name and make it bold. Select your name and make it bold. Control B. Okay, so there you go. So this is our finished product. Okay, and lastly, Control S to save your file. So, application let. And that's all. Thank you.